So, hello, ma'am. How are you, and how is your going journey?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say thank you so much for joining me. We should go for our introduction. After then, we will start conversation. Okay. So now, just
Yes.
first, I am telling you about myself. My name is Mamta Maut. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. I have also completed my B.Ed degree, and after then, along with I completed my CTA degree. And nowadays, I am improving my communication skill, and because I want to become a teacher, and my if we talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies like spending time with the family members, and I love dancing part. That's it for me.
Wow, that's an awesome introduction, ma'am. So,
Okay, thank
let
you
me
so much.
introduce also.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So, by the way, my name is Ravi, and I am from Maharashtra. I will talk about my education qualification. I'm just 12 pass student. I will talk about my hobbies. I would love to reading, writing, and listening some podcasts. So, that's all about myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so like you are a 12th pass. Okay, so like first of all, I would like to appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Like after 12th, you are improving yourself. Okay, so like first of all, I would like to ask you, like who inspired you to learn this language?
Okay. So anyone is not inspired to me because I'm inspired through myself because I know whenever I'm doing anything, I'm doing any right, it's I'm doing okay, not other doing. So I'm passionate about in this language. I'm enthusiastic persons, and I have so much interested in this language. So that's why I'm learning in this language. Only 50 days. It is a all game. Only 50 days, ma'am.
Yeah, approximately 2 months. You learned this language.
Yes.
Okay, it's wonderful. So, like,
Thank you.
would you like to tell, like, how did you learn this language?
Yeah, sure. Why not? So, when I was like a zero level in 50 days ago, 50, like a
Yeah.
50 days ago. So at that time, yeah, at that time I didn't know grammar rules. I didn't know have any vocabularies. I didn't know have any how to frame sentence and new words. Okay, I didn't know anything else. And that time I wants like a it is a very interesting language, but I'm not speaking very well. I'm not able to talk like my little bit thought also. So at that time, 2 to 3 days, I'm facing a lot of problem. Like you can consider fumbling, trembling, demotivated, hesitation, a lot. Okay, but after 10 days, 15 days, 1 month later, I realize it is our part of mistake. Means it's a learning part. Okay, doesn't matter we are speaking right or wrong because it is our initial time. It is our beginner. Okay, zero level at that time. So it is a don't worry about that. So I am doing thousands of mistake and I'm learning from that thousands of mistake. Day by day I'm improving a lot, ma'am. You can see first video and right now like 60 to 70 video. Okay, so it is a going good and it is a very it is a very good thing for me. And I was thinking like a one thing, like a one video I was taking, like you can consider Ranveer Alabadia, Jay Shetty. Okay, so at that video I was taking, and on that video I was taking. Okay, so after that what happened, I was watching once, twice, thrice, fourth and fifth time. Whenever I was trying three time, two to three time, I didn't get any knowledge. But whenever I watch like a fourth and fifth time, at that time I have lots of knowledge because whole information I understood, I get it because five times, ten times whenever we are watching, listening anything else. So at that time we gain a lot of information. We get that information, get a grammar rules, get a sentence structure, how to frame sentence structure. And sometimes our conversation is going on. Suppose that Jay Shetty and Ranveer Alabadia, this podcast is available 1 hours and 30 minutes. That podcasts are available. Okay, so that podcast is like a new words is also coming. So that new words I put down. Okay, means write down on page, and after that that word I implement in my conversation. Like a 2 to 3 days later, I have conversation. So at that time I was improving. Okay, means using, and after that I was improving. Yes, and I will talk about how can I achieve this level like a fluency. I'm speaking very well. Okay, so one reason like I'm trying some tongue twister, pneumono alta microscopic silicoconiosis supercalifragilisticexpialidocious hippopotamonostosis pedaliophobia floxinosililiplication Peter Piper picked up pick of picked papers daisy daring touch and danger during downtown duck day. Like that is very difficult, ma'am, in our initial time. But day by day, I'm trying and I'm practice a lot. So that's why you are looking. So that's all, ma'am. You can see right now I'm improving.
Yeah, fantastic. You did good job. And like I am appreciate you within few days, like you get like you got your goal, I can say. Now you are able to speak properly. Your way of speaking also good. So it is really good for you. And keep it
Ma'am.
up your journey. So
Yes, ma'am. It is my zero level. Zero level to I'm improving like a little bit. I wanna improving like that level, like a fluency. I wanna achieve fluency, but I'm
you achieved
improving
already.
little bit.
Yeah, you started your journey, and I think your mindset is good. Like you have a like a motivation to learn this language. You are enthusiastic to take this language. So definitely within some period you will get your goal very fastly.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely, ma'am.
So I would like to ask you one another question also. Like
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
from where did you get idea like you should run YouTube channel?
I did get any idea because I didn't know anything else. I was one day I was scrolling one channel, so that was Rajni Ma'am's. Okay, Rajni Ma'am's, Rams's video, Karishma Ma'am's video. I watch. After that, I was realized, oh my God, it is a very interesting language. Why I'm not learning? So that time I thought it is I'm taking interesting a lot, and at that time always I am trying to learning English in my 10th class, 11th class. But at that time I didn't know anything else, any proper guidance. Okay, but after that I'm watching 2 to 3 videos. After that, automatically getting a guidance, motivation, all these things. Okay, then after that I was also starting, and day by day I improve. So that's why I started my channel, but
Okay.
didn't know 2 to 3 days I'm watching. Before that I didn't know anything else, but after that I recognized idea, some thoughts, some information, and after that slow by slow, daily I'm doing practice, so that's why I'm here.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So, did you ever feel like you could not learn this language? Did you feel anytime when you were learning English?
How many problems I am facing like that?
Yeah, sometimes
Yes.
like we think we are studying, we are learning something. That time we think like this is not cup of my tea. I should not go for it. So this type of thing it comes in your mind or not?
Okay, I will tell you. Okay. So at that time, what happened, ma'am? I was starting only 50 days ago now. So at that time, 15 days, 10 to 15 days, it was going good, very good. I'm not like a little bit hesitate, demotivated. At that time, all problems I was facing, but after 15 days, I was like a little bit shy, and after that, a little bit nervousness is coming. And that time, I was thinking, why I'm starting, I'm not improving a lot. Why I'm starting here and there, unnecessarily, unwanted thinking about me. Okay, I was thinking why I'm starting, how many people are here available, well educated people are available here. Okay, and I'm whenever I was interacting to each other, so that time that people are asking lots of questions. Sometimes I didn't get any point, sometimes don't understood any point. So at that time what happened exactly, how many people are criticizing with me, like my broken English. Okay, and at that time sometimes I was demotivated. So at that time how many people are saying, oh my God, you are not speaking very well, why you're starting your YouTube journey, English journey. So unnecessarily thought is coming. But after 2 to 3 days later, I watched my previous video, and right now 30 days going on, 50 days going on. It is I'm Oh my God, it is a 50 days going on, it is 30 days going on, and I'm improving. I'm not fluent, but I'm improving day by day. It is a better for me. Doesn't matter speaking how many people are criticizing with ourselves. Only I was thinking I'm improving. It is my first priority. It is my first priority, speaking. Okay, first priority, speaking, and after that automatically we get a grammar rules and all these things. So that's way I was facing lots of problems, ma'am. Even I was not trying in my initial time, like a first day. It was a very hesitate, fumbling a lot, and sometimes means don't get any words and sentence structure, how to frame sentence structure, and how to make like that video, record video, and facing camera. So at that time, a lot facing like fumbling and trembling. But I know first day, 2 day, maybe approximately 3 days, it is a very like a embarrassing moment for in my life. But after that, day by day I improving, day by day practicing, day by day I watching video, and some cartoon related videos I watch, and like a story related book, this type I was recently this type
Nice, good.
you can say.
Yeah, I also used to read this book, and still I read sometimes.
Yeah, it is a very interesting, man. Whenever we are reading this book, and after only short paragraph, one, two, three, four line, and short paragraphs are very beautiful, and it is a very attractive. Our mind catch only little bit information, short information. Our mind don't catch like a 10 pages and 4 pages. It is a very short term, and we recognize like whole information understood very well. After that, we can close that book, and after that, we are thinking, oh my god, that incident was very beautiful. That page, that man, that boy, that car was very expensive. All these things we are thinking, and after that 5 minutes we are thinking that book close. Okay, first of all, and after that we are thinking that time what happened. We are getting a words, we are getting a little bit grammar, how to frame sentence, how to like a grammatical use using in this book. So all these things understood, and new words is available. So that word, it is a very important for ourselves. Very well. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, I know very well. And suppose we are reading one paragraph. After then, like we feel like this, like we should go another paragraph also. We started curiosity. We started increasing our curiosity. We should go ahead and we should learn. We should read whole story. So it is wonderful. Like if we are reading some of the story, so automatically our mind it's started working, and we want to learn lots of things from this story, that story. So it is good if we are going to learn through the story, if we are learning English. So I also do this type of thing most of the time, or sometimes every day, and I give to command to ChatGPT also, like in my story you should include it lots of connectors, so that I can learn how I can learn from from the story, through the story. So like it is good if we are reading. So it's depend on person to person interest. Like suppose your and my interest, like we like to read a story. So it is good because story is always interesting. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so
So, ma'am, you are mentioning very good point, like interesting, ma'am. Maximum people are like facing all these things, hesitate, tumbling, fumbling, sometimes demotivated. Exactly why all these things happen, I will tell you. Because that person's maybe not, must be not interested about in this language. So that's why
mhm.
within a 1 year not learning in this language. Why we are learning in this language like within a 50 days, 2 months, and 3 months? Because we have lots of interest. We have passionate. Our
Yeah.
passionate. We have passion. We are enthusiastic person. Okay, so that's why we are learning like a quick time. You know.
Mm. Yeah, sometimes.
So I am one question, ma'am. How long have you been learning in this language? Because you are very flawless. You are speaking very well.
No, no,
So
I'm not
can
now
you get
flawless. First of all, I would like to say, like you told me, from 2 months you started your English journey. Likewise, with the consistency, I also started learning this language consist with the consistency. Before, like I got idea. Uh, so like I should learn this language, and it is mandatory for me. But like I used to learn some, today I was learning like little bit. I was watching like some English content on YouTube, and sometimes I used to speak, sometimes I was not speaking. So I was not working on my English seriously, but I started learning English from 2 months. And nowadays, like I am putting lots of efforts to learn this language, because like ultimately it is my goal. I want to proficient in this language first. After then, like another thing, I will think. So this type of efforts I am doing every day. And you also improving your communication skill. It is good. After 12th you decided I should go for learning English, so it is the fantastic for you, because you didn't distract yourself different type of paths. You decided in a early age, like I have to do work on my English communication skill, and I will do something on the basis of English. So it is good. You didn't take too much time. And some of
Yes,
person
only
that's like
only 50 days.
sorry.
50 days only.
Yeah, 50 days
50 days
only
only.
taken. Okay, so it is wonderful. Like sometimes, like some of student is mindset like how we can learn in within 6 months your English. But like suppose I am putting 1 hour in a day, and you are putting 6 hour in a day, so you will learn fastly rather than me because you are putting lots of effort to learn this language. So like we can learn, but but we have to work with the consistency. We have to continue our like journey. Like every day we have to focus idioms, and like if you are beginner, so there is no need to go for idioms phrasal verb. But like you have to maintain, you have to correct your sentences. We should try to do every day. And we should try to speak. Like sometimes we started thinking, like firstly I will improve my grammatical part, and a little bit grammatical related to grammatical part I will learn. After then I will go for it. So it is the totally wrong. Like suppose we started today, we started learning today, we should started speaking. Whatever we are making mistake a lot, we should not think about mistakes. So this type of thing we should do every day. And nowadays I'm doing everything. I'm reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And we should listen more and more if we are beginner. So listening part is very, very important for everyone. And these are excuses like I don't have time. How can I learn this language? Everyone has time. Suppose we are doing something like related to our work. So that time, like we can listen. At least we can listen. Or this type of work we can do every day. So it is good.
Yes,
And, yeah.
absolutely right. You are mentioning very good point, ma'am, and it is a very attractive, and I would love to that point because it is a very crucial in our life. First point you are mentioning like a continuity. Okay, whenever we are like a maintain consistency, so it is always mandatory. Okay, means all is possible.
Yeah.
Whenever we are starting today, tomorrow, okay, like a regular we are doing practice, it is enough for ourselves. We are watching any podcast, it is also enough for ourselves. Watching any content in English related, you have interested in books, you can go to the books. You have interested in reading books, then you can go to the that specific book. Okay, don't go like a 10 pages book I'm reading today. Not possible. You can start small goals. You can achieve first of all small goal, and after that definitely automatically you can achieve also largest goal also. Okay, so like we are saying like you have interested and my interested like a same like a storybook. We are reading a lot. Okay, at that time we are getting grammar rules, we are getting a sentence structure, how to frame new words also we are note down and we are implement in our life. Okay, and conversations also. And one another thing like a consistency. Whenever we are follow consistency day by day, then definitely we will be intermediate and fluent level. Okay, but maximum people are not following consistency, ma'am. We are following, that's why we are speaking very well. Okay, I know very well. And sometimes we are demotivated, then maximum people are going outside. You don't go outside. Whenever we are going outside, any friends, any colleagues, at that time your thought, your situation, you are telling to other person, that person's motivated to you. But after this motivation is going only 8 days, 10 days, after 11 days it is a remove. But you can like take a motivation inner side, our inner side. Whenever we are taking inner side motivation, so after that what happened exactly, it's improving, let's say it is growing little by little, but it is a permanently. Okay, so that is also very important. And another thing, whenever we didn't know anything, grammars rule, anything reading, writing, watching, anything didn't know, so at that time just you can speak. Doesn't matter how many we are making mistake, how many people are criticizing, how many people are saying you are not speaking very well, you are speaking very broken English. You are whenever you are having conversation, at that time your tongue sleep like that, all these things saying people. So don't worry about that. People always saying something. Whenever you are like achieving your fluency, at that time also people finding some mistake, and you are not achieving like a zero level, at that time also people judging you, demotivated you. Okay, and that's why don't fumbling, don't demotivated. Okay, so it you can focus on yourself, don't focus on others. Okay, and another thing, whenever we are taking a lots of efforts, okay, one video you can take like me, and stick on that. Okay, don't scroll again and again, again and again. Okay, you can take one video and you can stick on that, and you can watch 5 times, 6 times, then after that you can getting a all information, you can getting a whole like a grammatical rules, you can getting a like a sentence structure, new words, vocabulary, all these things you are getting. And after that you automatically speak. Okay, and sometimes you, if you possible, I'm not forcing, if you possible, then you can try to some tongue twister. It is a very hard. I'm taking like a too much time, 2 month ma'am. 2 month taking like a 5 to 6 tongue twister I learn, but it is a take too much time. It is a 45
I
50
can
50 sentence 50 like a word are available. Okay, and it is a very big task. Okay. Yes, and another thing I will talk about, like whenever we have ultimate goal. Ultimate goal is like a speaking. Ultimate goal is not like a fluency and intermediate. Don't do it, because ultimate goal our like a speaking. Then just speak. Doesn't matter how many people are criticizing, how many people are stopping with you. Okay, if you have like a why is clear. My why always clear. I want to become a fluent person. I want to become fluent person. So that's why I'm learning in this language. It's a very 50 days ago, ma'am. It is a not like these things. Okay, like it is a very big task, ma'am. Within a 50 days, not learning. It is not possible. Maximum people are saying, but I prove it is a possible. Whenever you have like a strong goal, strong why. Okay, you have put in like 110%. Okay, you are not giving excuses, you are not blaming other self. Okay, so it is each and everything possible, but you need consistency. If you have consistency, then definitely you can achieve also fluency. Are you agree, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm agree. Consistency, it is very necessary. You are saying correct. Everything you told me, everything it is like nice. So like we should have greedy to take our study. Then we can learn a lot.
Yeah.
Otherwise, like we will think like I should learn only 10 minutes, and our mind is not working that time, and we thought like I completed my work. I have to study. I have to maintain my consistency. It is complete. So then we can't learn like quickly, not quickly and fastly this language. We should create interest. We should be greedy to take our study. Then we can learn fastly. So like before I told you, like I got to know to take this language after before 1 year ago, but I was not consistent and I didn't take seriously this language. But when I took seriously this language, I started learning a lot. Is at least I am able to speak English. Before I was not able to speak, I was not elaborate my thoughts in front of anyone. But when I took seriously this language, I started gaining lots of vocab, fancy vocab also I started using in a audio call. Like suppose I am talking sorry, I'm talking to video call. So that time I am not able to use fancy words because now I didn't overcome my fear. But gradually
Mhm.
it will come. I will use this language, this those words gradually. So we should do this type of work every day, and so we can get this language very. We can get our goal fastly. And
Yes,
you told,
absolutely 110
yeah,
agree with your point.
and you
You
told
know,
like
yeah,
I learned
our
those fancy word. It
go.
took lots of time. You told na like those lengthy word you learned and you remembered those word, and it took lots of time. It's happened like if we are going through this type of words. Like I used to make solo video for my YouTube channel. So that time it was taking too much time. So like if we are going to new skill to learn, so it will take time, but we have to keep patience. How we can maintain ourselves. So this type of thing we can do. Okay.
Yes, 110% correct, and I agree, ma'am. All game like a mindset. Our mindset is it is a clear. Then definitely we will learn about it. Okay, and we have like dedicated so much. So it is a possible. It's not like a big task, but it is a very big task. Whenever big task like a starting time, main starting. You can start from today. Don't like a talk like a don't start like a tomorrow and 15 days ago, 1 year later. Don't talk like a this. Okay, and whenever you are saying na ma'am greedy, so it is a very important. Whenever we are greedy, so at that time what happen, we are learning very fast. Okay, and whenever we are hungry, so we wanna something to eat. Okay, so like that we are hunger, so we are learning like a very quickly. Anything else like a long word, anything else, it is a language. You can take another language also. Okay, so it's all possible, and it is a take a too much time. Okay, don't and don't take a, like a, I'm why I'm not improving, why I'm hesitating a lot. It is a normal and it is a happen each and every person's. Okay, so that's why don't fumble, don't be motivated. So it's a happen. Just a continuity you can maintain. Like you can consider like which thing like a consistency maintain and motivation. It is a very mandatory and you can take like a our motivation. Don't go outside. Okay, so that's all, ma'am.
Okay, it's great. Like sometimes we started reading part. If we are doing reading part, that time like our mind started saying to us like we should read another like paragraph also. We started getting curiosity. Like it's happened with me. Like I have like very short books. Like there is included sometimes 10 stories. They are very short. So like suppose I am reading one of the story, I started thinking like this. Like I should go for another story again and again. I started reading, but it is mandatory. I should sit and I start. If I'm not starting, I will not read anything. But I started learning. I started reading, so I will read a lot. So it's happened. We should create interest. Firstly, we should motivate little bit. Like I have to read. I told you like if we feel greedy, if we will hungry ourselves to take this language, so automatically we will learn.
Yes, absolutely right, ma'am. And you know, when we have curiosity, it is a very important.
Yeah, it's
So
very.
we have curiosity. One chapter completed.
Mhm.
After that, we want like, why I'm not like completing another chapter also. And why? Suppose one video you are watching, and that video we want like a very interested. So after that, what happened? 1 hour 30 videos, 1 hour 30 minutes. It is a completed, and after that we have curiosity, curious about that. So we have interested. So after that, we want like a reading, writing, and watching also. Because why? We are learning very fast.
Yeah,
We didn't know anything else. Sometimes happen, ma'am.
yeah, and like someone is speaking very fluently and he or she is using good vocab, and we want to know from them like how they are construct the sentences, how they are using some of vocab. So we should watch this type of videos again and again, because like if we will watch again and again, we will repeat those videos. So we will learn a lot. Some vocab, how she or he is construct the sentences. So this type of thing we should follow. And I did also. Before I used to do I used to save some of videos. Those videos I used to do repeat a lot, because first time if we are beginner, so first time we will listen, so some of vocab, some of sentences we are not able to listen properly, so how they are saying us, yeah, how they are describing. So like if we will listen again and again, so we know lots of things from them. So we should do this type of thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. You
like
know,
I want.
maximum people are not.
Mhm.
Yes, yes.
Maximum people are.
Yeah, I'm saying little bit. Okay. So you know, maximum people are not trying. At least trying. Okay. Like you can just try. Okay. We are not trying. That's why we are not improving. Okay. Whenever we are trying something, at least you can try to connect. At least you can take one goal. I have connected one tutor. One like us beginners. One zero level persons are available. At least you can go and just speak out front of like a face camera. After that, what happened? Whenever we are facing any camera, whenever we are facing having conversation, so at that time what happened? Our fearness we are removed permanently. Yes, are you agree, ma'am?
I am agree. And one of question I would like to ask you, like when you took
Yeah,
your
sure.
first session, so how was your feeling?
It was like a little bit nervous. Okay, little bit nervous and so much like interested. Because why? I was completed already 50 sessions. Means solo video, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So after that, I was thinking I'm speaking only solo video. Okay, at that time I'm facing camera. But whenever it is the first time and I'm facing camera. Is this maybe record videos and all public is watching. And so after that, criticizing you are good speaking or not speaking. So after that, lots of questions are coming in my mind, and after that, just I'm stick on that video and just asking some question that ma'am also asking like a first conversation. Taruna ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So at that time, it was a very interesting conversation. You can go and you can watch. At that time, you understood better way.
Yeah, like
But not like I'm not like too much like a hesitate, demotivated because I'm interested and I'm curious about in this language. I'm passionate, so that's why I'm not like a hesitate too much.
Yeah, like first time we are going to take session, so that time we feel nervous. Definitely, everyone feels nervous. But after having this session, we started feeling confidence. We started thinking, yes, I
Yeah.
can do this type of thing. So it's happened. I'm agree with you. So last one.
I, I will tell you true, ma'am. Truth, I will tell you true. So, before having conversation, before starting camera, I was shivering a lot.
Oh my God.
I didn't understand what happened with me. But after one conversation completed, that time I was thinking, oh my God, I will do that. I was completed. Means I did it. Oh, so after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, I started and then permanently hesitation remove like that. And I'm talking like a little bit. I'm talking. Yeah.
Okay, so last question I would like to ask you, like someone is
Sure.
stopped, on study after 12, like you. So what would you like to say to them?
Maximum peoples are available here. Okay, billion and trillion peoples. First of all, don't stop your study. You can continue. Okay, because each and every person's mindset is very different. My mindset it is a very different. Like you want to become a teacher, then you can go and you can complete your education qualifications. Okay, at least you can try. What happened? We will see again. Okay, but you can achieve your goal and it is a very beneficial for ourselves, and if you have like a interested like a learning in this language, then you can come and you can learn. But one thing I will let me tell you one thing. Whenever you are taking any goal, mpc, upsc, or JEE main, JEE advanced, NEET examination, at least the 10th and 12th examination, ma'am, whenever you are following like a consistency, then definitely you will do that something, you will do that. Okay, at least you have experience because why, you are trying at least, so that's why. So you don't stop your education. Okay, maybe I have not like a stopping, I have next 2 to 3 plan, but I am not telling. Okay, so that's why in future I will like a review. Okay, so again I'm saying you, don't stop, don't hesitate, don't nervousness, don't fumbling, don't demotivated. Anywhere you are going, you can try to at least the 1 to 2 words at least. Okay, and you didn't know anything else, you are zero level, so at that time you can take one video, you can stick on that, and you can try to 5 5 10 10 times. You didn't understood, so doesn't matter, you at least you are watching. Okay, then you can just watch, and after that you can speak, and after 1 to 2 months later you can see front of yourself lots of efforts you have doing. So that's why what happened, we are speaking better way, like a better than previously, like a zero level, and 30 days later you can check your video, you have lots of improvement, ma'am. Okay, and another person's telling na demotivated, why you are not doing these things, you are not speaking very well. So don't worry, maximum people means